To better organize your model and simplify its logic, it's possible to nest choices. A choice that contains other choices is called an abstract choice. Otherwise, it's referred to as a leaf choice. To change a choice type to abstract, simply click on the plus icon on the right side of the node or use the drag and drop functionality. In this example, let's create a ranged group for weapons and add one random choice. Note that there's no limit to the number of nesting levels. Every leaf choice has its own value, which is used during the generation process. When the value field is empty, the value defaults to the choice name. Remember that choice names have some limitations. For example, it's not possible to have multiple choices with the same name. With values, however, this limitation doesn't exist. Since abstract choices act as containers and aren't directly used in the generation process, it's not possible to assign values to them. Now, let's assign the value Excalibur to the sword. We want to add a new constraint stating that Edmund uses ranged weapons only. Since we already have abstract choices for that, we don't need to use aliases, and the constraint becomes very simple. The results are correct. Note that we no longer have the choice sword. It has been replaced with the choice value, namely Excalibur. Every element of the model can optionally contain one or more labels. They can be used to add additional information or to provide an alternative way of grouping elements. To add a label in the GUI, click on the extend icon and type your text labels. Note that labels are separated by commas. Similar to abstract choices, labels can also be used in constraints. In this example, we assume that Peter takes the lazy path and fights only small foes near water reservoirs, which are easily accessible. Now, let's check the results. As we can see, everything works as expected.